For today's video, ituturo ko sa inyo kung paano gumawa ng playlist. When we say playlist, mga friendship, it is a collection of our videos. It can categorize and organize our video accordingly. Let's say we do random vlogs like cooking, travel, unboxing, etc. Tapos wala kang playlist. Mahihirapan ang subscriber mo na hanapin yung video na kung saan sila interesado. Kaya mahalaga na may playlist tayo.
So, start na tayo mga friendship. Hanapin nyo lang. Punta lang kayo sa YouTube app. Yan, click nyo yan. And then, click your profile. After that, click your channel. And then, go to library. Click nyo lang yung library, guys. And then, click next. And then, type nyo na kung anong gusto nyong pangalan ng playlist nyo. For example, random vlogs. Or videos na lang kaya. Random videos. Okay? And then, set your privacy. Sa akin, private ko to. And then, click create. After that, ayan, as you can see guys, playlist created na siya. Scroll up nyo lang. So, ayan na. Ito na yung nagawa kong playlist.
Hope you like this video at kung bago ka pa lang sa channel ko, please subscribe to my channel and click the bell notification. Shoutout po kay OBM Repair and Tutorial. More power to your channel po.